The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.
Hi, I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. The Southeast Connector is a national model for sustainable design, and that includes how resources like water get used. The RTC project manager, Garth Oaksall, is here to give us an update. Welcome, Garth. So here in northern Nevada, we can often have some pretty high winds. What is the project team doing to ensure that dust isn't blowing around?
Well, we were committed to being good neighbors throughout the duration of the construction of this project. And one of those ways we're doing that is implementing some very large equipment for water trucks that help keep the dust down. So we don't have issues with the wind blowing and blowing dust into our surrounding neighborhoods. And those trucks are running all day long during construction. And when we have high wind events, they're also working at night and on the weekends.
Wow, it sounds like a lot of water being used. So where's this water coming from?
Well, that's the exciting thing with this project is we're not using the very valuable drinkable water that we have here in the Truckee Meadows. The project has groundwater that's here out on site, and we need to temporarily lower that so we can efficiently do the project. We store that groundwater then in temporary large ponds that we've built that the water trucks can access, and they're spraying that water back into the ground where it's taken from, so that just further continues benefiting the wildlife and vegetation we have here.
What else will be happening with this project in the fall?
Well, we've made a lot of progress this summer. We're starting to see a lot of activity occur between Mira Loma and the existing intersection of Veterans Parkway and South Meadows Parkway. And you may recall that this project, when it's completed, will be an extension of Veterans Parkway 5.5 miles north to Sparks Boulevard.
Will there be any traffic controls coming up?
Yeah, in the area of Mira Loma, you'll start to see more and work encroach into the shoulder area. And we just want to remind drivers to slow down, pay attention to the construction signs, as well as the flaggers that are there to ensure your safety.
For more information, visit southeastconnector.com. You can always join RTC on Facebook and Twitter. This is your RTC.
The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.